kid next door.
Only one Earth in the universe. There's only one Earth. Billions of planets are in the galaxy. Life is blooming on only one Earth. Only one Earth. Only one Earth in the universe. There's only one Earth. Millions of planets are in the galaxy. Life is blooming on only one Earth. Heat is rising, you know what's the cause? Poisonous gases fuming out of cars. Oceans are loaded with our plastic trash, choking poor fish in every splash. Land is barren, only few trees are left. Birds are dying, it's a huge effect. The science is clear, time is running out. We must save Mother Earth, goes without a doubt. Only one Earth, only one Earth in the universe. There's only one Earth. What to do? How to do? Who will do it? It doesn't matter what, how, or who. It's all about what me and you can do. Let's take a walk through. Look around and see what are the 3 R's that we can all agree. First one is reduce. Whatever you use, stop wasting water, fuel, and food. Turn the lights off, save the power, shorten your shower time, preserve water. Second is reuse. Leave no excuse, refill your bottle, ban disposables, say no to plastic, use a canvas bag, plant the trees again, pollution's very bad. Third is recycle, convert old to new, sort the waste, that's what first you should do. Metal, glass, plastic, and paper, send them for a healthy makeover. With these changes, results can be huge, now or never. Think, what will you choose? Billions of planets are in the galaxy. Life is blooming on only one Earth. Only one Earth. Only one Earth in the universe. There's only one Earth. Billions of planets are in the galaxy. Life is blooming on only one Earth. Only one Earth. Only one Earth in the universe. There's only one Earth.